Compound interest is an amazing tool, especially if you use it at an early age. And let's start with a very famous quote by a very famous guy, Albert Einstein. He said, "Compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. He who understands it earns it. He who doesn't pays it." And what that means is if you understand compound interest and you use it to your advantage, you can retire a very, very, very wealthy person. You let years and delayed gratification work for you, you can retire, or you can amass an amount of money which is staggering. And to give you an example, I pulled out a calculator here so we can see some examples. Let's say that you start off with $500. Let's say you have a 401k at work, you're 20 years old, and your rich Uncle Fred gives you $500 to start your savings or your 401k. So you start off with $500, and let's say you're able to contribute, let's shorten this. Let's say you're able to contribute $100 every month towards your 401k, and this can be done because you don't even see it. So pretend that it's just a tax, an extra tax or something, and you do this for 50 years, which is it's going to bring you up to 70, which is the time where you're going to have to start taking withdrawals from your 401k. Let's say you have a 9% interest, and let's see what that brings you to. So after 50 years, you would have over $1 million, and that's just by putting $100 each month. That's a pretty good number. Let's say you do $200 each month. Let's see what that would be. So let's see, and let's calculate that. That would be almost $2 million. So the lesson here is start early, contribute what you can to your 401k, especially if they match, and let time work for you, and you'll be amazed at the results. So be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and we're going to teach you everything that's important as far as finances that you didn't learn